let me show you the app that the E99 and E99 Pro drone actually uses. So this is the app you need to download. You need to go to the Play Store and search for this Wi-Fi cam app. So once you download it, first actually make sure to turn on your drone. And then what you have to do, you actually have to go in your Wi-Fi settings and actually connect to the drone. So do this first. So I'm going to go in my Wi-Fi, and as you can see, this drone actually created a network. So we actually need to join, and this is what it will be called basically something like this. So click that. And as you see, it's connected to the device. Also, we can click this over here and make sure to enable this auto connect, because if you turn off the drone, it actually sometimes won't actually connect to the Wi-Fi, so you will have to do it every time manually. So do that. So then we can simply open this app and let it load. Okay, so this is what the app looks like. So we can click the start, and as you can see, it instantly found it, and our camera started to work as well. So yeah, the app actually works really good on this drone. So there are various options. We can start video recording over here, so we can stop it. Also we can take a picture. So yeah, I'm not pointing it at anything, but yeah, you can take a picture if you want to. So also you can see your media here, you can see your videos like taken here. You can go back, and there are some more modes here. Also, if we click this, again, more modes over here, and if we click this, we can actually control the drone here itself, which is kind of cool. So we can also do the various controls for the drone over here. So again, we can control this either using the remote or this app as well. For example, you can see I can actually start the drone up and even turn it off as well. So yeah, actually kind of cool app. And if you want to pause it over here, you can see all the explanation of what it can do. Okay, good luck flying this thing.